If your MacBook is slow, freezing, or always showing the spinning wheel, this video is for you. Maybe your apps take forever to open, your browser lags, or your MacBook just doesn't feel as fast as it used to. Stay till the end. I'll show you the fastest way to make your MacBook feel brand new. Today I'm going to show you 5 ways to fix your slow MacBook that you can do at home. These tips work for most MacBook Air and MacBook Pro models, whether you're using an Intel Mac or the newer M1, M2 chips. Fix number 1. Close heavy apps. Activity monitor. The first thing to check if your MacBook is slow is background apps. Click the search icon at the top right, or press Command plus space and type Activity Monitor. Open Activity Monitor and go to the CPU tab. Here, you'll see which apps are using the most power. If you see something like Chrome, Zoom, or any app using a lot of CPU at the top of the list, that app is probably slowing everything down. Click on the heavy app, then click the X button in the top left of the Activity Monitor window and choose Quit or Force Quit. Do the same for any other apps you're not using. Then switch to the Memory tab. If the memory pressure is yellow or red, that means you have too many heavy apps open at once. Close any apps and browser tabs you don't need. After this, your MacBook should already feel a bit faster. Fix number 2. Turn off startup items. If your MacBook is very slow right after you log in, the problem is often apps that start automatically. Click the Apple logo in the top left and choose System Settings. Go to Users and Groups or General, Login Items, depending on your macOS version. You'll see a list of apps that open automatically when you sign in. If you don't really need them at startup, things like Spotify, Zoom, Slack, select them and remove them from the list or turn the toggle off. The fewer apps you have starting automatically, the faster your MacBook will boot and the smoother it will feel right after login. Now let's talk about a big one. Fix number 3. Free up storage space. If your MacBook is slow and you're seeing messages like storage almost full, this can seriously hurt performance. Click the Apple logo, go to System Settings, General, Storage. Here you'll see what's using space: apps, documents, photos, system data, and more. Start with applications, sort by size, and uninstall any apps you don't use anymore. Then go to Documents, Downloads, and any section with large files. Delete big video files, old installers, and anything you don't need. Don't forget to empty the trash afterwards. The space is not really freed until you do that. A good rule is to keep at least 10 to 20% of your disk space free. macOS uses free space as working room, so if your disk is almost full, everything slows down. Once you've freed some space, your MacBook should run smoother. Fix number 4. Update macOS and apps. Sometimes your MacBook is slow because of bugs or old software. Again, click the Apple logo and go to System Settings, General, Software Update. If there's a macOS update available, back up your important files and then install the update. Updates often fix glitches, improve performance, and patch security issues. Next, open the App Store and go to the Updates tab. Update any apps you use regularly, especially browsers, creative apps, and productivity tools. Keeping both macOS and your apps updated helps everything run more smoothly. If your MacBook is still slow after that, it's time for one more important check. Fix number 5. Check browser tabs and background sync. If your MacBook is slow, mainly when you're online, the problem might not be the Mac itself. It might be your browser and background sync. First, check your browser. If you have 20 to 30 tabs open, close the ones you don't need. Each tab uses memory and CPU, especially if it has video, animations, or heavy sites running. Then check extensions. In Chrome, click the 3 dots, Extensions, Manage Extensions, and turn off any extensions you don't actually need. After doing this, your MacBook should feel much faster when you're browsing or working online. What if it's still slow? At this point, you've closed heavy background apps, turned off startup items, freed up storage, updated macOS and your apps, reduced browser and sync overload. If your MacBook is still slow after all of that, you might be hitting the limits of your hardware, especially if it's an older model with low RAM or a small full drive. In that case, it might be time to get it checked by a professional, consider an upgrade, or look into trading it in for a faster MacBook. If you need help choosing or upgrading a MacBook, you can always check out Techable.com for options, guides, and comparisons. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe for more MacBook tips, and comment which fix made the biggest difference for you. And if you're thinking about upgrading or trading in, check out Techable.com for MacBook deals and guides. For a great price on a refurbished MacBook from a trusted source, head over to Techable.com. And if you're ready to sell your old MacBook, visit sellmac.com to get a competitive offer. For clearer guides like this, stay with Techable. We help you solve tech problems in minutes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.